3 best home remedies for acne treatment fast overnight. Acne, pimples and acne scars. Acne and pimples are always very bad looking for people who have them. They try out everything whatever someone tells them to get rid of acne, but usually most of acne treatments fail. How to get rid of acne, pimples fast. People use expensive creams and even laser treatment for acne treatment. If you are one of them, then, instead of going out for expensive acne treatments, learn how to get clear skin with these natural home remedies for acne. Home remedies for acne treatment. Here are 3 best and most working home remedies for acne and pimples. By the use of these home remedies you will not only cure acne but also remove acne scars and acne marks. 1. Bitter gourd for acne. Consuming bitter gourd or bitter melon can help to get rid of acne, blemishes and deep skin infections. Method 1. Apply bitter gourd juice on the acne area or on whole face. This will not only help you get rid of acne problem but it will also brighten your skin. Method 2. Use bitter gourd juice for at least 2 months and you will get rid of acne. It will detoxify your body and give you clear skin. 2. Fennel seed water for acne treatment overnight. Fennel seeds water is an amazing result giving remedy to cure acne and pimples. It not only treats acne but also removes marks within a few days. Try it and the results will surprise you. Method. Pour 4 cups of water in a deep pan and bring to a boil. When the water starts bubbling, put in the fennel seeds and switch off the flame immediately. Let it cool down and apply it on your face for 20 to 25 minutes. Rinse off with simple water. 3. Lemon for acne. Using lemons for acne is one of the best acne cure home remedy. It really works and cures acne in days. You can use green lemons or yellow lemons, both work, but green lemons are more effective for all acne marks and acne scars. Green lemons to clear acne fast. Applying green lemon juice on face or rubbing the green lemon peels on acne helps to get rid of acne and pimples within a few days. It deeply cleanses your skin and gives you a natural shine. How to use lemons for acne. Method. Apply some green lemon juice on your face and leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. Then take the squeezed lemon peel and massage it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Daily use will treat acne well and remove marks, aging effects and wrinkles. Clear the skin and make it fresh, bright and glowing. You can also use yellow lemons but green lemon is more effective.